I'm still very grateful for 1,060 subscribers. Should be 1,065 right now. But then, well, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be basically teaching you how I decorated this cake. Yeah, basically how I decorated this cake. Yeah. So do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're new to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for 1,065 subscribers. I think I should be 1,065 right now, 1,070. It's going gradually. I'm contented. So yeah, without further much ado, let's just head straight to the video. Action. So hey guys, starting off this video, I'm just gonna be covering this cake with some sky blue buttercream. Wow, this cake looks so neat. So starting off, it's gonna be a plain design with gold and some flowers and some gold balls. So I'm gonna be starting off with the top as usual. Just starting off with the top and making it nice and even. The pink buttercream is still wet, so I'm just still working around it. I'm just still working around it. By the way, guys, how have you guys been? Hope you guys have been great. Thank you so much for the 1,000 subscribers. You guys are like blowing my mind. I started this channel just barely over a year ago, and I'm in 1,000 already. Although I've not been consistent from January to April. One of you actually reached out to me like, hey, what's up? I've not really heard from you since I'm one of your subscribers. So you have been good. I've been waiting for your update. So that really touched my heart, and that like gave me like the motivation to come back and continue. That like gave me the motivation to come back and continue. So yeah, this is me continuing. So yeah, I hope the black cream will be enough, though. I hope it's gonna be enough, I guess. I have spare though. In case of anything. I have spare. It's always good to have spare. I swear to God, I'm enjoying the consistency of this new butter I got. You guys should like really check on the kind of butter you use for your baking, man. For both baking and buttercream and everything, it's just on point. Honestly, it's quite expensive though. It's about 25,000. That's about really. Oh, that's like 40 something dollars, I guess. 40 something dollars, I guess. That's really close to that math in my head. So for $20, I guess. The consistency is so nice, the taste is so nice, and yeah. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but doing it that way will actually make my back hot. But let me just still try. So yeah guys, that's it for the cake. I'm gonna be cleaning up my table and coming back with the rest of the decoration design to just finish up the cake and call it a day. So I'm coming back guys, I have a lot of things on my table. I have some flowers, I have white and blue buttercream mixed in a big star nozzle. Let me check if I get the name. Okay, the number is 366 nozzle. I have some gold balls. I actually stole this from my friend. She's gonna use them for cake tomorrow. But I stole this because I went to the market and I could not find any, you know. Wait, let me check if it's recording. It's recording. I have, what again do I have? I have a clean rag. I have some gold leaf and some sprinkles basically. So what am I doing with this cake? I don't know. First things first, I will try and clean the board. I'll try and clean the board. That's my first approach. Right now, I'm going to clean the board. Man, all these thick boards make my cake look more exotic. I think I'm going to be using just thick boards from now on. By the way guys, if you want to purchase all these thick boards from wherever you are, they are quite affordable though. I'm going to ask my vendor for a detailed price list and probably post it down in the comments. I'm also going to be, anybody that asks, any of my users or any of my subscribers that ask for it, I'm going to help them purchase for free and just calculate the value of logistics and send them a detailed breakdown. So yeah, I think I'm going to pick this as my front. I'm going to pick it, anyway can be used as a front basically. So what am I starting with? I think I should start with flowers. I think I should start with this with some flowers. What do you think? Should I start with some flowers? I'll start with some flowers. Where's my toothpick? So I'm going to be putting this right about here. Oh, I did not get my topper. I'm supposed to use. Yes, I'm using happy birthday mommy this time. Mommy, happy birthday mommy. That's what they say I should use though. So you know how it goes. I'm just gonna put down my basic flowers. Put down my basic flowers. Then I'm gonna attach some supporting flowers by the side. I'm gonna attach some supporting flowers by the side. Let me just do it so that you guys can see. Okay. Okay. Some roses. Some roses. Okay. I'm not going to do it all the way to the down because I have no reason why I'm not going to do it all the way to the down. I don't have to explain to you guys why I'm not going to do it all the way to the down. Design is just about how you feel, you know. Design is just about how you feel, you know. I'm going to put one here. I don't want it to be like I could just end it here right now. That's exactly what I'm going to do. With what I'm going to use to end it. I should look for white. Some white. Okay, these white ones are good. I'm going to put them as supporting flowers. I think that's it for this one. Those are white ones. Supporting flowers. I didn't even rid of any white. I don't really have any white roses. I think I'm gonna use this rose. I'm gonna use this rose up here just to add a bit of design, So okay, I should use some of this as supporting flowers. Should use some of these as supporting flowers. Then this whole stem. So I'm just gonna be adding them, Just gonna be adding them. Okay, where these balls, I'm gonna use them to complement these places. Okay, so this is it. You're just gonna be in between these places you get just to complement. Then I think that's for the flower. Let me just add some complementary flowers here and there. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna add some complementary flowers here and there. Okay. Some complementary flowers here and then. I'm trying to keep it in a very, very slim color spectrum. Color spectrum is the amount of colors I use for a cake, Okay. Then let me put my happy birthday mommy and see how it will stand. Oh, don't worry about this first. Oh, I have all this too. So I'm just gonna add this here and there and see. Yes, I think I'm quite happy with this. I'm quite happy with this. So I think I didn't use this sunflower, I didn't use this. I think that's all for with my flowers. I'm just gonna repeat them away so I have more space to breathe down here. Okay. So coming back, I'll be adding a bit of gold leaf here. I'll be adding a bit of gold leaf here. So I'm just gonna be putting this here. I think I'm gonna call it a day with this. That's too much gold leaf for one cake. So finishing off, I'll just be painting the designs at the rest part of the cake. I don't want it too bulky. Small crown here. Just in one or two places, you know. Oops. Sorry. I think it's actually spoiling my cake. And I'm gonna stop right now. So yeah. So what's left? This happy birthday mommy as requested by the client per se. So yeah, what have you guys? I think this is as potentially brought us to the end of this video. If you are trying to this to the end, please do have to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you are not already a subscriber, but if you're a subscriber, thank you for always supporting me, always being with the channel and the brand. I think that's all. I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace.